Are you looking to transform your outdoor space into a cozy and stylish retreat? Look no further than your back porch. With a little creativity and some great ideas, you can revamp your outdoor living area into a functional and inviting space that you'll never want to leave. This article, we'll explore some exciting back porch designs, decorating ideas, and tips to create a relaxing and entertaining outdoor oasis. Creating an outdoor living room. Turn your back porch into an extension of your indoor living space by incorporating comfortable outdoor furniture. Choose weather-resistant sofas and chairs with soft cushions for a cozy seating area. Add a coffee table and side tables for convenience. Don't forget to include outdoor lighting to create a warm and inviting ambience. Stylish porch design. Add a touch of style to your back porch by selecting a porch design that complements your home's architecture. Whether it's a screened-in porch, a wraparound porch, or a contemporary deck, choose materials and colors that blend seamlessly with your outdoor surroundings. Consider adding decorative elements like hanging plants, artwork, or a colorful rug to add personality to your space. Functional outdoor entertainment. If you love entertaining guests, transform your back porch into an outdoor entertainment area. Install a built-in grill or a portable barbecue station for al fresco dining. Create a bar area with a mini fridge and a serving counter for easy access to drinks and snacks. Don't forget to add some comfortable seating options and a Bluetooth speaker system to set the mood. Cozy and relaxing retreat. Turn your back porch into an oasis of relaxation by incorporating elements that promote tranquility. Hang a hammock or a swinging chair for ultimate relaxation. Add a cozy outdoor rug and some throw pillows for extra comfort. Consider installing a soothing water feature or a fire pit to create a calming ambience. Surround yourself with lush greenery and potted plants for a touch of nature. Outdoor dining experience. Enjoy meals under the open sky with an outdoor dining area on your back porch. Choose a sturdy and stylish dining table that can withstand the elements. Pair it with weather-resistant chairs or benches for comfortable seating. Enhance the atmosphere with string lights, lanterns, or candles for a cozy and intimate dining experience. Don't forget to add some outdoor-friendly tableware and drinkware to complete the setup. Revamping your outdoor space with stunning back porch ideas can transform it into a stylish and functional area for relaxation and entertainment. By incorporating cozy furniture, stylish design elements, and thoughtful decorations, you can create a welcoming outdoor oasis that suits your personal taste. So, grab a cup of coffee, curl up on your revamped back porch, and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors in style.